Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here tetraethylbenzene is given, which is in the 1, 2, 4, 5 position. You have to find the compound can give how many number of signals in the proton NMR. Before finding the number of signal, you have to know whether you have any symmetry present inside the molecule or not. The molecule given in the tricky way, if you rotate it, you can find the molecule has two planes of symmetry. One goes in between the methyl group, one goes in between different methyl group in 1,3 position. So if you look at it, it has two mirror planes. So two mirror planes create the symmetry. So it gives only two signals. I highlighted the hydrogen as A and B. All hydrogens are come under A and B. Here the concept you have to learn here is the mirror plane create the symmetry. The atoms are in the mirror plane will have magnetically equivalent and it will have same chemical shift. So more the symmetry, lesser number of signal. So the given compound produce only two signal. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.